This new team consists of many new members and many old members. They have worked over the summer and combined different choreography from last year and this year. Without further ado, let me introduce you to your all-male dance team.
I tell them M.I.A. already know it's 18 to get busy, 21 to get busy. And either way, go your chickens finna live with me. I'm a gang body move. Ain't no I'm that close. Skinny kid long hair showing off his tattoos. My swagger come hard, I'ma eat chick her. It's the part of the song where I'm coming on my skirt. And I'ma do my dance, I'ma do my dance. I'ma do my dance, I'ma do my dance.